Do you hate change fees you have to pay for a new construction home once you've signed the contract? 94% of new construction projects or renovations result in a minimum of one or more change orders, costing on average about $4,300 each. What if you could walk through the home blueprint before you finalize the structure, place furniture, and see how things will fit first? Today, we're going to see that in action. Walk Thru Plans in Huntersville does this for you. Let's see what this looks like. So I'm with Tiffany here at Walk Thru Plans. We've seen some of the inside of the warehouse here and how they have this set up. Just going to ask you a few questions.
Yeah.
So what is it that home buyers and builders love most about the Walk Thru Plans?
I think it's definitely different for buyers versus builders. For builders, they're able to communicate clearly with their client and make sure that everyone is on the same page. They all want the same things, and it's very nice and clear. The clients are able to understand all the different aspects of their home and really feel the space and understand how it will be. Um, they're then able to make any changes that they feel they need before construction starts. So nobody wants to start building and then have changes. So we help to avoid any potential costly changes during the construction process.
Yeah, nobody likes fees. What about what do folks who have done this say has helped them the most?
I would say just about every client that comes in is going to end up making changes to their plans before they start building. Some clients have made 10 changes or more, just depending on the size of the home. I had one client completely rearrange the second floor layout, and they lost one bedroom and made two other bedrooms larger. So really, they're just able to experience it and ensure that they're going to be really happy with the new home, or it could also be a commercial property once it's done.
Yeah, I love the ability to just walk through here and be able to actually feel like you're walking into your home just
Yes.
the way it's laid out. That's great.
Yeah.
And then I guess last question, what is one thing you want everybody else to know about Walk Thru Plans? Why should they be here and do this, or what is it you want them to know?
Yeah, I would say, first of all, we don't just work with particular builders. Anybody is able to come in and have a session here. We definitely encourage you to bring in your team. If you are the homeowner that's going to make the appointment, feel free to invite your builder, your architect to come on in with you. So that way you can get all your little questions answered. And it really cuts down on a lot of the back and forth emails and phone calls. It's great to just kind of hash everything out in one session here and then go ahead and move forward and be able to start construction.
That's awesome. And how can folks get in touch with you? A website, Instagram, Facebook?
So you can go to walkthrupplans.com to check out our website. And then on Instagram, we are walkthrupplans_Charlotte. And for the email address, it is going to be charlotte@walkthrupplans.com. And through is THRU. So we shortened it a bit.
Okay. Tiffany, thank you so much.
Yeah,
this has
thank
been
you.
wonderful.
Great.